Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to format a USB stick to a FAT32 file system type on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. Please note, if you have any information or data stored on that drive, it will be removed in the process of this tutorial. So with that in mind, we're going to move forward and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. You want to type in this PC. Best match should say this PC above desktop app. You want to just left click on it one time to open it up. Now you want to go underneath devices and drives listed here. Should be a flash disk or flash drive, whatever your drive is here. And you want to right click on it, left click on format. So current file system says NTFS default. You want to left click inside this drop down menu, select FAT32, make sure quick format is checkmarked here, and then left click on start. We're going to get a prompt saying warning, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. So left click on OK here. Should say format complete. Left click on OK again. And there you go, guys. So we go back on here, right clicking, and then left clicking on format. File system type has been changed to FAT32. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.